Welcome. This is a quick look at some cases for the iPhone XR from Ringke and Jasbon. These cases range from $9.99 to $14.99. They can all be purchased on Amazon. I'll leave links in the description. So let's take a look at these from cheapest to most expensive. So the first case we have here is the Ringke Fusion Clear TPU case. This one costs $9.99. I've had the same case for the Note 9 ever since I've had the Note 9. It's held up very well. I've really enjoyed it. Let's see how the one for the iPhone is. So we got some paperwork here. Nothing exciting. We did not get the lanyard like I did with this Note 9 case, but let's take a look. Looks very nice, complements the Red XR very well. The thing I love about these Ringke cases are the buttons. The buttons are very responsive, very clicky. Let's check our camera bump here. So the camera is protected by the case. The thing I also enjoy about these Ringke cases are the corners. Plenty of access to your lightning port. Holes for the mic and speaker are perfectly fine. There is a little bit of a lip on the front. You should be able to lay this guy flat on the table, show off the red on the iPhone. Let's check wireless charge. Wireless charge works. Really happy with this case. Looks quite nice with the Red XR. Let's go to the next case. Next we have the Ringke Fusion X case in the black color. This case costs $11.99. Similar paperwork as last time. Film on both sides again. All right, finally got the film off. Ooh, wow. I'm liking this one. Again, looks really nice with the red XR. The black and the red complement quite nicely. Again, I do like the raised corners on the case. Let's check the raised part to cover the camera. Yes, the camera is definitely protected and covered. Don't have to worry about the camera getting messed up. Let's check our cutouts. Plenty of room for the lightning port and the speaker and microphone. Again, typical Ringke case, the buttons are very responsive. Really happy with that. The volume button is accessible. Let's check wireless charge. Wireless charge works. Little Ringke branding on the bottom. Let's check if we have any bit of a lip. Looks like we have the slightest bit of a lip. Not a whole lot. For some reason, these iPhone cases don't seem to have as much of a lip as other cases. I feel like you can really see it a lot better there on the Note 9 case. I am definitely liking this case. I like how the black of the case complements the black bezels of the phone. Next, we have the Jasbon Crystal Clear case. This case is $12.99. No paperwork in this one. Very flexy. A lot of flex to this case. Very jelly. Let's throw this guy in. This guy feels quite grippy in the hand. I do like that. I do like the extra grip. It gives you that extra peace of mind. See, there's your cutouts for the lightning port, speaker, and microphone. Now the volume rocker feels a bit difficult to access in this case. This is a very slim case, so they beefed up the corners for any potential drops to save your phone. Now in terms of the camera, it almost looks like it's not covering the camera, but there is this little portion here on the upper left corner, if you can see that will keep your camera protected. But this one does not provide as much peace of mind, in my opinion, as the Ringke cases in terms of the camera protection. Buttons are a bit gummier on this one opposed to the Ringke. You can still press all the buttons perfectly fine. Just might be a personal preference of if on the Ringke case you want more of a click when you're pressing buttons versus to kind of a softer press. That will be up to the consumer to decide. Let's check if there's any lip. There is little to no lip at all. There's just this, if you can see that there, there's just this little part around the phone that gives you the littlest of a lip that you could possibly get. So I would definitely not slam this on the table by any means. Your protection on this case here is on the corners. It does have access for a lanyard, although this did not come with a lanyard. And another notable feature is it's very easy to take this case off due to its very flexible nature. If you swap out cases a lot, then this might be of interest to you. And let's check wireless charge. Wireless charge, great. Last case we have here is the Jasbon Shockproof Silicone phone cover with a free screen protector. It is a gel rubber, soft microfiber lined case. This costs $14.99. A bit of extra stuff with this case versus the clear protective case from Jasbon. So this one does have your screen protector as promised. We're not going to fuss with the screen protector for now. Let's check out the case. It's a nice silicone gel feel to it. Does have the soft microfiber lining as advertised. Edge down here feels very flimsy versus the top here feels very rigid. No advertising on the back. Let's check this guy out. Does have a good amount of grip. I do like the grip on this guy. Does feel very comfortable. It's a very comfortable case. This is the grippiest of any of the cases we've checked out. This guy, if you lay it on the table, it is not going anywhere, as you can see. Very snug. Now your con to this case is you're not showing off that color of your iPhone XR if you really wanted to do that. But I do like these button cutouts. They make the buttons very easy to press. Does provide a bit of a click in return. Now the volume knocker on this Jasbon case is much easier to access. On the clear one, I was seeming to have issues, but no problems at all with that. Again, I do like the black case complementing the black bezels of the phone. Does look quite nice. And this is definitely the most comfortable case in the hand of any of the other cases that I've just tried. I don't know about this case getting dusty. I feel like it could pick up like dust easily. I don't know if you would put this in the pocket of your jeans, maybe it'll pick up a bunch of stuff and get all over it. I'm not entirely sure. Let's check wireless charge. Wireless charge, yes. Okay. So that's it for a quick look at these cases. If you had to ask which ones are my favorite ones are the Jasbon Silicone case and the Ringke clear case. So Ringke and Jasbon each do get a win here. I do like all of these cases a lot, but these are the two that stood out to me the most. Very good amount of grip, lots of peace of mind here with the design of the cases, good cutouts, buttons feel great, wireless charging works. Really happy with these cases. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, sub, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.